What's up guys? Hello guys, come and join me to unbox the newly released 350 Vito Desert Shades. It was previously released last March 14. Okay, start it. Hey guys, this is the box. Small dent from the box. Now let's look inside. Let's take a look inside. Yes, this is it. This is it. This newly release is more colorful than other previous release, maybe due to the color of the insole. It's like a red orange, as you can see, and it smells good. Hey guys, this is the 350 Desert Shades Yeezy. Let's look the other one. The difference is the gum sole. It is more attractive than the previous release of the Yeezys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.